Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing well. So this is the part 3 of this road crossing game, and in the last part we have learned like how we can move the vehicles and how we can move the cat, right? And in this video we are going to learn something new. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. As this is the last part of this game, so here we are going to learn like how you can win this game and how you can lose this game, right? So for winning, I'm taking this green flag here, right? And you can place this green flag anywhere, like wherever you want. So this green flag is the I can say the winning part. I want if the cat touch to this green flag, then this game says you win, right? So here what I'm going to do is, again I'll take when the green flag is clicked, right? Then I want to hide this flag, okay? And I want when I click on the whenever I receive the message start, then it shows, okay? So the start message is receiving by every character here, right? So yeah, I want to show, and I want to show on this position only, right, where the flag is just right now. And now I want, okay, so now I'll take the forever block here, and I will take if the cat, right, if this the cat touch to this green flag, okay? So I'm taking if and then and forever block, again if and then and forever, both are best friends right? So I've taken if touching cat. Then what I want to broadcast I'm broadcasting a message here that is for UN, right? Now for the UN we are going to make a new character, right? So what I'll do when whenever this if and then send message, then everything will stop, right? We just want to stop the game and we just want to show that okay, you win thing, right? So for that I'm making in a character, right? I'm making this you win thing in a character place, okay? So again you can just play with colors and you can select like how you want to design this thing. So yeah, I'm just selecting colors here, and you can also go with like single color, or if you want double shades you can go with that also. Yeah, you can give any color to it. So yeah, and on that now I'll click on convert to vector and I'll select T here and I'll just write hooray, you win. Or you can give any tag to it, you win, right? Or you did it, or you played well, right? You can give these type of tags to this character, okay? So once we done with this thing, I think this is okay here right? All right, I'm just changing name here because this is the character, so I'm making you win here. So once we done with this thing, so what I'll do, I'll say when the green flag is clicked, I want to hide this character, right? I don't want to show this character on the starting only. So I'll just hide this, and whenever I receive message, that is you win here, not start, okay? Whenever I receive message you win from that green flag, then only it will show. So I take a show block here, and I want to, okay, that is okay. So what I'll do, I'll just remove the backdrop here, and I'll make it you win. Like in the backdrop I'm just changing the costume name, right? So once I change the costume name, I will switch the costume. You will get to know why I'm switching the costume here, right? So yeah, now I'll go to variables, and now this is for the you win part. Now let's make for the you lose part. So for that I'm making a timer here, okay? So I created a timer here. So I want whenever the flag is clicked, I want to set the timer, right? So you can give the timer number, it's totally up to you. Like if you want to start with 50 or 100 or any number, you can go with that, right? So here I'm taking 50 number, but I want to make it 20. Let's see, like if I want to, you can change it, right? You can change it accordingly. So yeah, so I set it to 50 here, and I'll say when I receive the message start, okay, then only I want to change the timer. I don't want when the flag click then only my timer start changing, right? So I want whenever I receive the message start, when I click on the button start, then only the timer starts, start working, or the number should start deducting from that timer. So that's the reason I'm taking a forever block, as I want to deduct the number again and again from that timer. So I'll make it -1. I'll take change timer by -1, and now I'll go to controls and take wait for 1 second. Okay, I have taken wait for 1 second because so that timer can work accordingly. Okay, if I'll remove that, you will see that it just going like very fast, and I don't want that. So right this way it will work properly. And you see here it says hooray, you win. The movement it touched to that, the cat touched to that flag. Okay, now I want if timer is equals to 0, right? Like once the timer is up, I want it says you lose, or it says time is up, try again, something like that, right? So here I make the code of that. So I'll say if timer is equals to 0, then now what to do, want to make a new costume, and in here only we're going to make a new costume for game over, or you can say for try again, right? So yeah, you can again play with colors here. See, when we create any project, right, so designing matters equally, right? Coding is compulsory, right? Coding is important, but the designing also plays an important role. So yeah, you can give time to your designing. Okay, so yeah, now here we can just type in there try again or something like that, right? Time up, try again. Okay, now it's up to you what tag you want to give. You can give you lose, or try again or something. Yeah, these are the tags that you can give for the game over. Okay, so now what I will do here, I'll just go to looks, and here I'll switch costume, right? I want once the timer is equals to 0, I want to show the time up costume, and I want to show it on the front layer, right? Go to front layer means like it will come all above on your game, right? Like you will not see any character on your backdrop, it will come in front, right? And then I'll put the stop all, as I don't want to move anything, right? Once the timer is equal to 0, I wanted to stop there only, otherwise the timer will go in negative numbers, like it will go -1, -2, or -3 something, right? So yeah, here, so yeah, this is all about this game, right? And I hope that the concepts are clear with you. If you find any confusion, you can just comment me, or you can ping me on my Instagram. And yeah, and I'm here changing the number, right? Like I don't want 50. 50 is too much for me. So yeah, I'm making 20 here. I think 20 is quite okay. But you can give up to you. Like it's totally up to you, right? It's your So yeah, that's it for this part 3 and for this road crossing game. I hope that everything is clear with you. And yeah, now I'll see you in the next video, right? And you can comment me down below what next tutorial you want to see. You want to see on Scratch, or you want to see on App Inventor, or on what, right? You can just tell me that. So yeah, I'll see you next video now. Bye and take care.